students who want to make a positive change have come forward with our project Treevi. With Treevi, we want to enable precision agriculture in India, powered by AI, ML, and IoT. Precision agriculture is the use of cutting-edge technology in agriculture practices to get higher yields and quality of products. Our main mission is to support our farmers with the power of machine learning and help them with it.
India is a farming nation, where 19.9% of our GDP comes from this single sector. However, we do not have any major farming companies or large single farm owners. Rather, most of the revenue is generated from single contributors or generation of single farmers. Our vision is to help and aid the financial state of our farmers.
To solve this problem, we took the ForestNet dataset and performed cleaning on it. The basic steps that we followed, we removed the duplicate or irrelevant observations, we fixed the structural errors, filtered out unwanted outliers, handled missing data, then finally validated and performed QA. We developed a deep learning model called ForestNet to classify the drivers of deforestation using satellite imagery. We also curated a dataset of satellite imagery with expert forest loss driver annotations. ForestNet uses scene data augmentation, transfer learning, and multimodal fusion. ForestNet achieves higher classification performance than standard driver classification models. Used a feature pyramid network architecture with an efficient NetB2 backbone. The use of SDA provided large performance gains on the validation cell and land cover pre-training and incorporating auxiliary predictors each led to additional performance improvements.
In digital image processing and computer vision, image segmentation is the process of partitioning a digital image into multiple segments. Here, we are trying to partition a single image into multiple crops as seen from an aerial view, using hyperspectral images.